Hey guys, good evening everyone. It's Angelo, Christian Financial. Thank you so much for watching our podcast, Real Estate Insider, Where America Goes for Funding. I hope everyone's doing well out there. We're doing the show on Wednesday tonight because I got some business I got to take care of tomorrow. So we wanted to shoot the show for you a day in advance. So I appreciate all of you guys watching the channel. I hope everyone's doing well out there on Wednesday as we're getting ready to wrap up September. We're halfway through the month. So I hope everyone's doing good, and I appreciate all of you guys watching the channel. And remember, Angelo Christian, your direct nationwide lender. Call or text our office, 832-431-6331 if you have any questions. We do all kinds of loans, FHA, conventional, commercial, residential, private loans, no documentation, bank statement loans, non-QM, hard money. So please reach out to us if we can help you with any type of financing options. We're here to help. Call or text me, 832-431. Share this information with anyone you know. Give us a big thumbs up. We appreciate all your support. We do all different types of, we do FHA down to 500, VA down to 500. We do construction loans, private loans, all different types of financing. We have a conventional, 1% down program. So, and obviously, if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask me below. I'm here to help you, to support you, give you the information that you need. So, we've been actively lending in America for, over, 2 decades. We do all different types of programs, single family, multifamily, commercial, private lending. So anything that we can do to help you, let me know. So I got a few things I want to talk about tonight. Remember, if you guys have questions, ask me those questions down below. We're here to help you to answer those. That's why we're here. And so, we do 3 videos a week on our social media, on YouTube. You can check us out on Angelo Christian Mortgage on YouTube, Instagram. I'm going to talk about different things, and again, if you guys have questions, ask me any questions that you want. The first thing I'm going to talk about that we offer, we have an FHA nationwide down payment assistance program. You can literally get 0 down up to $20,000 for down payment and closing cost assistance, up to a $500,000 home with the FHA. And you do not have to be a first-time buyer. There's no income restrictions, so you can make as much as you want. But the maximum is, the FHA loan limit in that county, or $500,000, whichever is less. And you have to have a 620 or higher credit score, and it has to be for primary residence. So you can do single-family, duplex, or manufactured home with that down payment assistance program. So it's really powerful. One of my favorite programs is that FHA down payment assistance. And I don't care what's going on in the economy, what's going on with rent prices or rates, it's always going to make more sense to own a home than waste money on rent. Does everyone agree? So and this is a really good cigar. This is one of my favorite Ramon Alones. Awesome cigar right here, guys. You guys can check that out. And one of my favorite drinks is bourbon. So anyway, that's the FHA down payment assistance. We offer that nationwide with the exception of New York and Nevada. So we can help you with that. Call or text us, 832-431-6331. We want to talk to you about that. Next thing I want to go over is if you're self-employed or you're an investor, we have no tax return mortgage loans to help you. So if you're trying to buy a property, investment property, you're trying to buy your primary residence, we have programs that are no documentation. You don't need tax returns. You don't need W-2s. You don't need pay stubs. You can purchase the property just with your bank statement, just off of the cash flow, the rental income of the property. or your 1099 or your profit and loss statement. And we go up to a $3 million loan. So, I know that banks are real skittish right now. They don't want to make loans. They're tightening up on the financing. Self-employed, no tax return mortgage loans are a great solution. And they're still conventional rates. You don't pay a higher rate. Now, the down payments start at 10% down. They're 30-year fixed loans. They're not balloon loans. They're not adjustable rates. And the way they're underwritten, it really makes a lot of sense because they're using your bank statement or your profit and loss to qualify you. So it's common sense underwriting, guys. It's not anything that's bizarre, illogical, or something that's, ridiculous. Banks don't do it. So you want alternative financing to help you to figure that out. So those options are out there. So we want to hear from you. If you're in that list or that bucket and you're trying to get a loan, call or text us 832-431-6331. We want to hear from you because we know that you're out there. There's millions of people in that situation. And the other thing that I'll say, hey, what's going on, man? Oh, thank you, brother. I appreciate you. That means a lot to me, man. We work really hard to deliver and serve. Appreciate the kind words. Thank you. Lines of credit. Another thing that we do really good is if you're looking for a line of credit, we offer lines of credit on primary residence, secondary home, and investment property. We can go up to a $2 million credit line. A lot of people, and you can do first position credit line or second position credit line. You can use that credit line to pay off your debt. A lot of people are doing this right now. They got a bunch of debt that's high interest rate, 15, 20, 30% interest rates. You can use a line of credit to consolidate all that debt, pay off all that debt. And the cool thing about a line of credit is you only pay interest when you draw on it. It's not like a mortgage. See, like a mortgage, if you take out a $200,000 mortgage, you're going to start paying interest on that loan right out the gate. And you're going to pay a fixed amount of interest regardless. But a credit line, if you don't take out any money, you're not paying any interest. And if you do take out money, then you can pay the interest and then you can pay it right back. And these credit lines are 10 and 20-year credit lines. So you have that available credit for 10 or 20 years, depending on which one that you do. So they're very compelling. It's a great option, great solution to be able to help you. I appreciate the thumbs up, everybody. If you guys give us a big thumbs up, that means a lot to me. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. Share this information with everybody that you can that's looking to get into funding and real estate. Remember, we have our Real Estate University. If you want more information, the link's down below for Real Estate University. If you're a realtor, you're a broker, you have people that need to get funding, think of us, refer them to us, call or text our office, 832-431-6331. We talked about the no tax return loan, lines of credit. The other thing that we do really well is construction loans. If you're looking to build a house, we have construction loans up to $3 million. You can build a home up to $3 million for your primary residence, okay? So primary residence, if you're trying to build a home. We also do investor construction too. If you're a developer, you're a builder, you want to do spec financing, we do investor construction too. So we got a lot of different options to help you guys out there if you're looking to, do spec financing, investor homes, whatever, right? So there's a big need for that. You want to build your primary residence. I'm not saying you have to spend $3 million. I'm saying we go up to $3 million. You want $500,000, $1 million, $2 million, whatever. There are requirements for it, depending on how much finance you need. But hey, Kevin, good evening, buddy. Hope you're doing well, man. So if you go up to $3 million, you have to have at least a 740 credit score. They'll lend to 70% of the value. These are full documentation loans only. Now, if you're financing under 700,000, you can go as low as a 620 credit score. But all of them are full documentation for construction loan. There's no-doc construction. Now, on investor construction, if you're a builder, you don't need full documentation, but you definitely have to have experience. You have to have liquidity. You have to have at least a 650 or higher credit score. So there's different requirements if you're a home builder. So, but construction loans are really good too. Another thing that we do really well, if you're a veteran, you serve in the military, and you're looking to purchase a property, we can do single family or multifamily with 100% financing with no money down, and we go down to a 500 credit score. That's really powerful. Most lenders require a 600 or 620 credit score. We actually go down to a 500. And if you're trying to do a refinance and you're a veteran, we can go up to 100% financing to take cash out. For example, if the property is worth, $500,000 and you want to pull cash out, you can pull cash out of your property up to 100% of the value of the property. So you could do a loan for $500,000 if you wanted to, take all that cash out and pay off all your debt or invest or whatever you want to do. Most lenders only go to 80% or 90%. We'll actually go to 100% of the value of the property. So really powerful because, if you need that extra 10, 20, 40, 50K, you can do that with us as, one of the unique opportunities that we offer, going up to 100% financing for the VA loan on a refinance. Most lenders can't do it. You can call them and ask them, they're not going to be able to do it. Most lenders, if you're a veteran, if you want to refinance and cash out, if your property is worth 500, they might be able to go 400 or 450. No, it's no green screen, man. There's no green screen back here. It's actual. I love the water. You want to see? It's here. I love the water, man. No green screen. Put my feet in there? All right. Do you see? Yeah. No green screen, man. No, I love being by the water, and I love palm trees and the islands and stuff like that. I love blue, so that's why I like being out here a lot. So yeah, thank you. I appreciate it. I love like the beach, the island, the ocean makes me feel real relaxed. I love water, so I love palm trees. Just my thing. Everyone has their thing. It makes me feel real relaxed. So, it's just my thing that I enjoy. I love the beach. I love the water. Yeah. I love it. Everyone has their thing they like. It feels real relaxing. I love the Caribbean. I love the Bahamas. Hawaii. All that. The feeling of it is just real relaxing. So, but there's no green screen, man. It's just relaxing. It looks like a green screen, though, doesn't it? It does look like one. I admit it does. So, I hope it's not too much of a distraction. I just like to be out here and be relaxed. That's all. Anyway, so we talked about, the lines of credit. VA mortgage loans, construction loans. We do, hard money, conventional loans. And then the other thing that We also offer a new program. You guys may have heard of the conventional 1% down program. This is an interesting program because you can actually purchase a property with only 1% down. So it's really cool because, most of the time with conventional, you have to have either 3% down, 5% down, 10 or 20% down, whatever. This program, you just have to have 1% down, and the 1% down can be a gift for the down payment. So there are a lot more requirements for this program, though. So the first thing is the maximum purchase price is $300,000. Okay, that's the first thing. You cannot go over $300,000. Second thing is your income has to be below $80,000 a year. Third thing is your credit has to be 680 or higher. So it's a good program, but it has a lot more restrictions. Where I like the FHA down payment assistance program because you can go up to $500,000. There's no income limit. You don't have to be a first-time buyer. Josh, AI about simplifying and understanding deals. Yeah. I think AI is good. In my opinion, I think that where it's at right now, it's still very premature. And it has a long way to go. Now in 20 years, it could probably be a different conversation. Maybe even 10 years. I still think right now, if you take someone that has a lot of experience, boots on the ground, you understand the market, there's things that the AI can't, figure out that someone that has a lot of experience and knowledge, can figure out. So I think it's good, and I think it's going in the right direction. I just don't think we're there yet with the technology to replace a very sophisticated investor or someone that knows what's going on. But I will say, in 10 or 20 years, could be completely different. A good question, though. So, yeah. Yeah, minimal tools, yeah, for sure. Oh, absolutely. Yeah, if you're just using some of the tools to make decisions, I think that, yeah, of course, that helps. Just don't use that as your sole basis or analysis or thesis to make an investment decision, then yeah, absolutely. I would definitely use the AI. AI is the future is the way to go. There's no doubt about it. I think, you use that in conjunction with your other analytical tools. I think that's a smart thing to do, yeah. And a lot of it just depends. We do all different types of financing for fix and flip, long-term rentals, Airbnb, ground-up construction for investors, blanket loans for investors, refi cash out, a lot of different options, and we see a lot of different investors. Oh, cool. That's awesome, man. So are you more on the software side or are you more on the investing side? That's interesting. We're seeing a lot of people get in, a lot of AI into different spaces, different industry right now. Oh, business side, okay. Cool. Yeah, that's great. I think that could be very helpful. And a lot of, you can make a website and sell that to investors, a subscription or whatever. I'm sure they would love that. Or maybe, lease it to Zillow or lease it to, Realtor.com or whatever, or LoopNet. They'd be happy to partner with you. So, there's a lot of ideas with that, So, yeah, so anyway, guys, we're here to help you as your lender, your source for finance. We've been doing it for over 20 years. We've got all different types of financing programs. You can call or text our office. We actually talk to our customers. We're open 7 days a week, 832-431-6331. You can go online to our website, Official Angelo Christian. You can check out our social media, Angelo Christian Mortgage, Instagram, official Angelo Christian. If we can help you, you have any questions, reach out. Burger phones. Oh, cool, man. Thanks, Josh. I appreciate you, man. We're here to help if we can. Offer any type of loan programs. We're the real deal. No BS, no nonsense. Just give you the real facts, real information. Trying to help people change their life, get funding, get stuff done. So appreciate all of you guys watching the show and the channel. If we can help you with anything, call or text me, 832-431-6331. We'll be back again next week. So check out the channel, check out the show. If we can do anything for you guys, take care, peace out. We love you. Stay strong. Okay, bye bye.